Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So today we are going to solve dishonest seller and fault rate problems on profit and loss. Let's begin with this question. Here, a shopkeeper cheats to the extent of 10% while buying and selling by using false weights. So, what is its total gain percentage? We can solve this using two formula methods. Here gain percentage is equals to x plus y plus x into y by 100. Here x is percentage profit while selling and y is percentage profit while buying. So by substituting in the formula we will get 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 by 100, which is equals to 21 percentage. We can use another method, but only when the gain percentage while selling and buying is same. So here gain percentage is equals to 100 plus common gain percentage whole square by 100 minus 100. So 100 plus 10 whole square by 100 minus 100. So after solving this, we'll get the answer as gain percentage is 21 percentage. Here, a milkman purchased 20% extra quantity than indicated and sells 20% less than indicated while selling the milk. Find the percentage profit if he sells the product as its cost price. So we can solve this using two methods. First one is the using the direct formula method. Gain percentage is equals to 100 plus percentage extra quantity while purchasing into 100 by 100 minus percentage less quantity while selling whole minus 100. So by substituting the values in the formula, we will get the answer. After substituting it, 100 plus 20 into 100 by 100 minus 20 whole minus 100. After solving this, we will get the answer as 50%. So we can solve this using another method. Suppose while purchasing, he is purchasing 20% extra quantity than the usual. So suppose he is taking 120 ml milk, he is paying for 100 ml. So his gain percentage is 20%. While selling, he is selling 80 ml and taking amount for the 100 ml. He is gaining here 20 ml. 20 ml is what percentage of 80? We can get is 20 by 80 into 100 is equals to 25%. So here gain percentage is 25. So using the formula x plus y plus x into y by 100, here we'll get as 20 plus 25 plus 20 into 25 by 100 is equals to 20 plus 25 plus 5 which is equals to 50%. Rohit bought rice for 20 rupees per kg and sold it for 24 rupees per kg, but his faulty machine shows 800 grams instead of 1000 grams. Find his actual profit percentage. So here he bought 1000 grams for 20 rupees. Then for 800 grams his cost price will be 20 into 800 by 1000, which is equals to 16. So the cost price of 800 grams rice is 16 and he is selling 1000 grams for 24 rupees. But actually which is 800 grams. So the selling price of 800 grams is equals to 24. So here profit is selling price minus cost price. So 24 minus 16 is equals to 8. Here we have to find the profit percentage. So profit percentage is equals to profit by cost price into 100. 8 by 16 into 100, which is equals to 50%. So his actual profit percentage is 50. A grocery store owner normally makes a profit of 20% on a certain transaction. He weighted 900 grams instead of 1000 grams and took 20% less what he actually charges. Find his gain or loss percentage. So let us assume that the cost price of 1 kg goods be 100 rupees. He normally makes 20% profit. So then the selling price of 1 kg of goods will be 120 rupees. So here he weighted 900 grams. So the cost price of 900 grams will be 90 rupees, and also he took 20% less than actual charges. So the selling price of 90 grams after 20% discount will be 100 minus 20, that is 80 by 100 into actual selling price, that is into 120. So 80 by 100 into 120 is equals to 96. So the selling price of 900 grams is 96. So here he is gaining. So the profit is 96 minus 90, that is 6 rupees. Profit percentage is equals to profit by CP into 100, that is 6 by 90 into 100, which is equals to 6.66%. So his gain percentage is 6.66.